in New York City, and something very lucky happened to me, but it did not feel lucky at the time. On my first day there were about 40 of us that all started. 39 of the people got staffed on projects with celebrities and movies and famous actors. I got staffed on a brand new team called digital marketing, and I was pissed off. I did not want to be on that team. I wanted to be with the celebrities like everyone else, but it turned out to be very lucky because 2 years later, all of those people were still getting coffee on television sets, and there I was running one of the fastest growing teams in the company. And it was around then that I started getting phone calls, emails, text messages from my brother saying, "Hey Randy, I could really use someone who knows digital marketing to come help me at this little project I'm starting called the Facebook." And I thought, you know what? I'll go out there for maybe 1 week, 2 weeks. I'll give my brother some advice and then I'll come back to New York. And so off I went to California. And I had never been to California in my life, so I thought it was going to be so glamorous, but it was not glamorous. That's basically what I found when I got to California. It was probably the least glamorous place I've ever seen. The guys were coding around the clock, they were drinking Red Bull, that's it, and eating cupcakes. But there was something that was really incredible about being there in that moment, and that was just seeing the passion that these guys had, even in the middle of the night. They were so young, and they owned their ideas. They owned their success and their failure, and it was so exciting for me to see. So originally the plan was to stay for maybe 1 week or 2 weeks. Well, 10 years later, I only just recently moved back to New York City. So, woohoo, California. It was a pretty incredible journey. When I started at Facebook,